When you are having sex with a woman, you want to do your best in order to make sure that she reaches an orgasm or that she at least gets to enjoy herself properly before you ejaculate. The problem with this is that if you suffer from premature ejaculation, it can be very difficult to get her to have an orgasm or even enjoy herself. She has spent all her time getting ready for sex, she has put on her favorite panties for you. She most likely shaved for you and she can't wait to seduce you and have sex. You don't want to disappoint her and not give her any type of sexual stimulation. She will get frustrated and irritated with this. Think about it, all her efforts and she gets no sexual stimulation? It's bad. If you don't want to be humiliated because you have premature ejaculation and you don't want to deal with the embarrassment, then this will immensely help you. There is a difference in female and male sexuality that you can take advantage of and get a tremendous benefit from. You can use her sexuality to your advantage and come across as a brilliant lover even if you don't last more than a minute or two. How to hack female sexuality. Women are different from men in how they get aroused. This is oftentimes overlooked, but it is critical that you as a man understand this if you want to become a great lover. If you don't understand this, you will never be able to give her what she wants in bed. The difference in female and male sexuality is that women oftentimes need 10 to 15 minutes to get aroused. It may take you a minute or two before you have a full erection and you are aroused. In order for a woman to find herself equally aroused, she needs a lot of time. The arousal scale. On a scale of 1 to 10, you may get to a level 7 to 8 within 2 minutes. She undresses and you play with her boobs and within a minute you are as horny as you could be. Women are different. They are very different in fact. After 1 to 2 minutes, women are oftentimes at level 2 or 3 on the arousal scale. She will orgasm when she reaches level 10. If you start having sex with her when she is at a level 2 or 3, you will have to last a very long time to give her a proper orgasm. If you prematurely ejaculate or can't last for very long, then you will disappoint her. The next time you have sex with a woman, do this instead. Number 1. Get her really aroused. Play with her body, squeeze her and stroke her between the legs. And don't hurry to have sex, play around with her and make her have a great time. Do whatever you can to make her as aroused as possible. Number 2. Then when she is at a level 8 or 9, when she is so aroused that she is sweating and her vagina is expanded and very moist, then you start having sex. Number 3. If you start having sex with her when she is at a level 9, it will take her a minute or so to get to level 10 and have a powerful orgasm. So when she is as horny as she can be, then simply spread her legs, tell her to play with her clitoris, enter her, and within a minute or so she will let out a huge moan as she orgasms. Some women will orgasm as soon as you enter. You will enter her and she will start shaking from her orgasm. This is very powerful if you want to give her orgasms with your penis and you can't last for very long.